You hear and create sound all the time, but do you realize sounds are caused by vibrations? By using art, today we are going to explore things like amplitude, frequency, and wavelength. Sound waves travel through air, water, and solid objects as vibrations. When they reach our ears, these waves make the delicate skin of our eardrums vibrate, and then the brain recognizes these vibrations as sounds made by different things. The size and shape of sound waves determines the kind of sound heard. There are all kinds of sounds. Some sounds are loud, some are quiet, and the act of measuring the sound's loudness is called amplitude. Amplitude also measures how high a sound wave is traveling. The higher the sound travels, the louder it is. Frequency is the measurement of the number of times that a repeated event occurs per unit of time and creates the pattern we see, like when we record our own voice. Our first step is to record your voice using a recordings program like a voice memo or maybe GarageBand so that the sound waves are visible. You can record yourself saying anything. For example, I went ahead and just said hello 3 different times, and I changed the pitch and the volume to see what the difference would look like in the sound waves. So experiment with that and save the sound waves by a screenshot. Once you have your sound waves saved, go ahead and grab whatever you would like to paint on, be it a canvas or a piece of watercolor paper, and just do some fun colors in the background. And then we will let that dry and we will put our sound wave art on top of our background. While our background is drying, let's take a look at our sound wave. Do you see any differences in the same word or maybe phrase that you said over and over again? Do you see the different waves and the way that they pitch and then the way they fall? Check out each distinct feature of your particular phrase, and then we are going to go ahead and draw that on top of our background. So I noticed with my particular wavelength, when I said hello, it almost looked like the shape of an arrowhead to me. So I'm going to draw what I saw on my wavelength using either a black marker, if you have black paint. Go ahead and sketch out those lines across your background. So we are using our various wavelengths to create